Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a banner for your YouTube channel without spending any money, and you don't even need to have any fancy software on your computer. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So first what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and open up Canva. The link would be in the description as always, and then we're going to go ahead and create a design. Now here you can select YouTube banner. You just have to search YouTube banner. After getting here, you're going to go ahead and download another image that is given in the description, and you're going to go ahead and paste it on your canvas. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and put it on my canvas, and now I'm going to just and now I'm going to go ahead and resize it to fit to my screen. Areas in this canvas show you different areas that would be visible on different type of devices. So for example, the middle area around here is going to be visible on your mobile phones and your computers, whereas the entire canvas would be visible to a TV screen. Alright, what I'm going to do is go ahead and add some lines for my reference. So you just go ahead and drag these lines with these white lines, and after that we will be good to go. That we have taken all our rulers, what we're going to do is we're going to delete the background image. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go here to layers, and then I'm going to go ahead and simply delete this. And here I want to change the color of my background, so I'm going to go ahead and find a nice gradient background because it looks good. Uh, okay, I think I'm going to go with this one, and for that I'm just going to go ahead and put my channel's name using the text feature or add a headline. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to write Mindtech, and I want to change its color to white. So I'm going to go ahead and select the whole text. I'm going to do Control A and I'm going to change the text color to white. As you can see, I just changed the color of my text. Now I'm going to go ahead and resize it, and I'm going to put it onto the left side of the screen because I'm going to be putting my logo on the right side of the screen. You can also change the font if you want. So I'm just going to go ahead and see if I find any other font a bit more attractive than this font that I'm currently using. Oh, perfect. Uh, I found a really nice font already, so I'm just going to go ahead and stick with this font. Other things you can do with this is you can add effects to your font. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and click on effects, and then I would be able to add effects to my text. For example, I would be able to add an outline if I want. I could make it hollow, and just like that I can edit the effect quality as well. So for example, if I go on outline, I'll be able to increase the thickness of my outline as well as change the color of it. So right now I'm going to go ahead and change it to black, and I will decrease its thickness because it's looking too thick. Okay, now that my channel name has been written, I'm going to go ahead and add a subheading. This subheading can be anything. Maybe it could be a slogan that you have, or maybe you could also add your other social medias handles for your other social medias, like maybe your Instagram account and all those things. You can also write like videos every Tuesday, every Monday, every week. You can put your schedule down over there as well. For now, I'm just gonna type randomly anything. I'm gonna go ahead and do Control A. I'm gonna go ahead and change its font to match my font on the previous text. Uh, I think the last font was uh, Northwester. All right. Now I'm gonna go ahead and decrease its size so that it matches. it looks proportionate to my headline. So I think it is looking decent. I think I should change the color of my subheading. I'm gonna go ahead and change it to white again, and I forgot to add effects to this, so I'm gonna go ahead and add effects to it as well. Uh, okay, that looks better. Okay, now I want to add my logo onto the right side of the screen. You can put your own picture as well, but I'm gonna put my logo because I have a really nice logo. I will also be making a tutorial on creating a logo on Canva as well as on Photoshop. If you want to watch that video, go ahead and subscribe to this YouTube channel and make sure you hit the bell icon. And let's get started. So other things I would like to show you is if you go here to the element section and you search for, let's say, Instagram, it will show you an Instagram logo. So you can keep that logo down over here, and then you could add, uh, you can use this logo, and then you could add another text field where you could put your Instagram ID. So that's another thing that you can do. For now, I'm not going to put any Instagram ID because I'm not on Instagram or any other social media per se. Or I want to make it look better. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and add a circle, and I'm going to do something like this. And I'm going to cover half of the screen with this circle. I'm going to change its color to white. Okay. So I think it looks decent, and in the middle of the circle, maybe I will put my logo. So to insert your logo, you just need to go ahead and upload that. I've already uploaded my logo, and I'm just simply going to go ahead and put it on my canvas. And after that, I will just resize it and make sure that it aligns well with my screen. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you go ahead and like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you hit the bell icon as well. I'm going to create a video on creating a logo using Canva itself. Other than that, make sure you comment down below anything. Maybe you could write these nuts so that I know you were here till the end of this video. And if possible, go ahead and share this video link to one of your friends who might be having a YouTube channel or might be in the process of creating one. This channel could help them a lot. So thanks a lot for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Let's go.